Welcome to MarineMax for Walton Beach. My name's Canyon. Today I'm going to be showing you this brand new 2024 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. This boat's equipped in the lagoon blue hull side color. Does include a tandem axle galvanized trailer. We'll move here to the back of the boat. We are equipped with a 200 Mercury naturally aspirated V6, super quiet engine, fuel efficient. Let's hop up on the inside and go show you a few options in there. Here on the back of the boat, we have a nice big sun pad up top here that also converts into some rear face seating. Really nice option. Huge storage area down below. Step a little further here. We have twin bucket seats on this boat. Big enforced storage box for any kind of water toys. Here at the helm, we're equipped with a Simrad 7-inch screen, Fusion stereo system. The front of the boat, additional seating with the bow filler cushion. Makes a nice sun pad as well. If you'd like to see this boat, come see us in MarineMax 4 Walton Beach.